Hi, my name's Carlos Peña. I'm the tech director here at Westover Hills. If I had to describe Westover in 5 words, I'd probably go with dynamic, fun, growing, responsible, and unique. We just completed a project to update our sound system in our main auditorium. It's been something that we want to do since about 2020. We realized that we started having some system failures. We had some amps going out. We just had some tech that served its purpose, but it was coming time to be updated. So we started dreaming and envisioning what we could do in this room, but due to room limitations, we had a lot of really strict requirements, and that led us to start reaching out, looking for a different line array system, something that would meet the needs of our congregation, of our room, and of our tech needs. Some of the unique requirements were based on the room limitations. We have a very wide room, but a very shallow room. We have a balcony. Total room capacity is about 2,200. In the past, we'd look at line array systems, but due to the height, it would cause line of sight issues with our IMAG systems, and that was not going to be something that was acceptable to our leadership or our congregation. In order to kind of meet those needs, that led us to the DOS line array, the SARA system, and its unique compact footprint allowed us to still go with a line array system that covered every seat in the auditorium while giving us the best sound possible. Some of the unique things about DOS that we really just fell in love with was the ability to have every speaker network, that we can tell all the features, we can manage and control each box. I'm real big on being able to be able to manage everything from anywhere in the building, and DOS gave me that ability with its network capabilities. Second was the compact footprint. We just absolutely love that we have such a full, large sounding PA in a small footprint, and that was just a huge selling point. Some of the other things were the audio. In the past, we were going with a point source box cluster, and there were some dead spots. We had some muddy highs. It wasn't as clear as you would like in a house of worship setup. And the DOS speaker system, the SAR system, is just so clear. We have crisp highs, full mids, and a just robust low end. We'll have plenty of low end to spare. And that was just some of the things that really sold us, that we wanted to have in our house of worship so that we could have a full sound and be able to hear every note possible. Would I recommend 5 Words Media? Let me sum it up for you in 5 words. Heck yes, I would recommend. These guys are awesome. They're knowledgeable. They are flexible. I threw everything I could possibly throw at them, from short timelines, from demand, from just the specific requirements of our project, and each time they were able to meet them. They were creative in the solutions that they provided. When they were on site, they were professional. They kept the area clean, and they were just a good group of guys, and I would highly recommend reaching out to them for all of your AV needs.